everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add people on OnlyFans. On OnlyFans, users can subscribe to creators' profile to access their exclusive contents. However, there isn't a direct add friend feature on OnlyFans. So instead, you can subscribe to a creator you are interested in, and then you can easily access their contents on OnlyFans. So in order to do that, first of all, open the OnlyFans application from your app drawer. Make sure to sign into your account as well. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. Now, enter a user ID or a post name that you are trying to subscribe to. You can also type in their username. Once you make a search for it, open up the person's profile, and once you're inside their profile, tap on the subscribe for free option. To subscribe for a creator, you will need to choose a subscription plan. Click on Please add a payment card and enter a payment information on the next page. Select your country, enter your address, enter your payment card details by entering your card number, name on the card, the expiry date for your card, and the CVC code. Once you are done, make sure to tick on this little box at the bottom to ensure that you are at least 18 years old, and then after you are done, tap on the submit button at the bottom right. Once you enter the correct and valid payment information, you will be able to subscribe to the creator that you've chosen. Once subscribed, user will now have access to the creator's exclusive contents, which may include photos, videos, live streams, messages, and more. So that is how you will be able to add people on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.